Differences among fill up, fill out, and fill in. Fill up, fill out, and fill in are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are the combination of a verb and a particle, a preposition, or an adverb. In this case, all three use fill, which means put something in an empty space. Let's see the difference among these three phrasal verbs. According to the dictionary, to fill up means to make something full or to become full. For example, I filled the car up with fuel. There's plenty of food. Fill yourself up. Fill up cannot be used to mean complete a form. This is wrong. Can a form hold liquid? Well, possibly if you rolled it into a cone, it could, but then it would be ruined. Since it cannot hold liquid, it is not appropriate to use fill up. To fill out means to write or type information in spaces that are provided for it. For example, if you want to join the gym, please fill out this form. A person can also fill out. This means they become larger or thicker. For example, after 3 months at the gym, John had really filled out. To fill something in means to write the necessary information on an official document. To fill in, just like fill up, can mean make something full. For example, if you want to join the gym, please fill in this form. To fill in can mean temporarily replace someone who is unable to do their job at the time. We fill in for someone. For example, Martha is sick today. Could you please fill in for her? A person can fill somebody in on something. This means tell them information that they're missing or don't know. For example, Martha, you're back. Let me fill you in on what you missed while you were sick.